coding skills. That Aditya, do you have any knowledge about C, C++? So I was like, no sir, I don't have that much knowledge about C, C++. And so bole, what? Okay, Aditya, then tell me what's your favorite subject in electrical. So then at that point, interview is in my hand because I know electrical. It's my strong point. So I start telling that my favorite subject are power electronics, control, machine, network, signal system. So they start asking question from that subject.
Hello everyone. I, Kushagra Mishra, welcome you all to UEC News. Today, we are pleased to have Aditya Soni sir with us. He has grabbed highest package in electrical engineering department. Well, this video is going to be very useful for our viewers because in this interview, we are going to discuss on placements, resume, internships, and other skills required to grab such a decent placement. Sir, I welcome you and congratulate you on behalf of UEC News. Sir.
Thank you so much, Kushal.
Sir, our viewers are really very interested to know about you. So can you please give a brief introduction of yourself?
Okay. So first of all, I like to thank UEC News for providing me this great opportunity to share my experience with my juniors and with my batchmates. And so start with my interview. I am Aditya Soni. Recently I am pass out from Ujjain Engineering College in electrical branch. I am from Ujjain. Currently, I got placement in Accenture with an LP of 4.5, and I also cleared GATE 2021 in electrical engineering with All India rank of 7,663. That's all.
That's great, sir. That's great. Sir, it's my pleasure that I am too from electrical engineering branch and I'm taking your interview. So I would like to start from the very beginning. What was your reaction when you came to know that you have got admission in Ujjain Engineering College?
So talking about in 2017, my reaction when I came to know about that I got a placement in Ujjain Engineering. I got a seat in Ujjain Engineering College. So my reaction was great. I was really excited at that time because I'm trying to get a seat in Ujjain Engineering College. But in my first counseling and second counseling and even in my third counseling, I didn't get any seat. After 3 rounds, I get into the college in fourth round. So after all, that feeling is really great for me.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, our viewers would like to know how you got the internship and was it paid or unpaid?
So as I talk about the internship, in core branches, as all you know, there are paid internships are not that much.
Yes.
So to us, because they are more like industrial training. In our college, we got an industrial training from different industries. So I done my industrial training in Power Grid Corporation of India in Hatunia plant. So that's all. It's not paid. Basically, I started my internship in second year, and after that, Corona came, lockdown happened, and after all, I didn't get any other internship. I just done with my Power Grid and all.
But sir, from being a tier 3 college to getting an internship in Power Grid, which is highly reputed company for electrical engineers, it itself is a big deal. Sir, our viewers are very eager to know that how you got placed and in which year you got placed.
So as I started applying in different companies, initially my mindset is like I always wanted to go in a core branch. I want to work in a core industry, core electrical industry. But as reality hits you, you find that it's very difficult to get a job in electrical domain. If you can get a job, if company directly come to your campus and you get selected from your campus itself. In open campus, you didn't short have a chance to shortlist your resume. I applied in many companies, in core companies. I always try to some sort of update my resume, but after all of that, I didn't get any chance to even get a written in a core company. So as we go, my whole mindset was like I'm stuck. What should I do? There is no chance. I I was like यार कि unemployed ही रह जाएंगे शायद इस साल ऐसा ही हो जाएगा अपना. So I started looking for different opportunities out there. The different opportunities are definitely a IT industry. So in IT industry, I got placement from Accenture. Before that, I also appeared in an interview of TCS, but I got rejected because it's my first interview, and I done many mistakes in that interview. So I learned from that mistakes, and I apply some changes and upgradation in myself, and I applied for Accenture and finally got placed in Accenture.
That's a big thing, sir. Very big thing. Sir, what was the package offered to you?
So the position is a associate software engineer, and the package for this position is 4.5 LP. I know this is not a great package, but still you are just okay
No,
with
sir.
that.
I think personally, I believe that from a tier 3 college and having your first package as 4.5 lakh per annum is not a bad thing. Like, in fact, it's a good thing. Sir, I would like to know that what are the other skills apart from the academics which you have developed so that you can get placed in a good company?
So the skill required to get into an MNC for us, I especially talk about in context of electrical engineer, core engineer. The skill you need is only one language, aptitude, reasoning, English. That's all. You just have to grab a command on one language. I started with Python. So to learn a Python, I get a course from Coursera, Python for everybody. Most of my batchmates done the same course to get a knowledge in Python and start practicing the basic codes like palindrome, prime number. Start with these codes. Try to learn syntax. Try to learn the flow of the program, and definitely you will make one. Or there are two programs in TCS in Accenture. Two programming questions are there. If you are able to make only one question and your score in aptitude, reasoning, and English are good, then you definitely get a call for an interview.
Okay, sir. Sir, any sites which you will refer for practicing coding?
So the famous one is the HackerRank. You can go there, register yourself, and start practicing from scratch. Initially, you get the code of Hello World, which is the basic thing you get into an IT industry and print the Hello World on the screen. Everyone have to start with this, and after that you go to the iterations loop. And for Java, you can go to the site Java T Point, which is also a good site where you get a basic understanding of Java, their syntax, basic program. That's all. If you are lucky enough, you will definitely make a code, and or you will definitely make one or two code maybe. In TCS, I got a code. I got a code to make to show the prime number, to get a prime number, whether number is prime or not. To check this prime number code in TCS, and I definitely a simple program. Make it in Python and finally got selected in TCS.
That's great, sir. That's great. Sir, I have listened that many times candidates get rejected in MNCs because of the silly mistakes in the resume. So we would like
Yes.
to know how you prepared your resume so that you grabbed an internship in Power Grid. which is a technical company, as well as you grabbed a decent package in Essential, which is an IT firm?
So as you think, be honest, always try to be honest. Don't mention extraordinary skills like I know Java, I know Python, I know JavaScript. Don't try to mention these things on resume if you don't have any knowledge about it. Try to mention the things which you have in your curriculum and which you encounter at least once, at least basics you know about it. One other things, there is nothing like you should go an IT firm and make a different resume. No, it's not like that. If you go in TCS, Accenture, Wipro, they are just shortlisting on the basis of your technical assessment, the written test. And after that, when it comes to the one-to-one interview, your resume should be considered. And then in your one-to-one interview, they'll ask about your resume. You mentioned this is skill. At what scale do you know this skill? From 1 to 5, how do you rate yourself in this skill? So this kind of question will encounter you in your interview. So don't try to fool interviewer or any company that I know everything about this. Just mention simple project what you have done, and that's all. Your resume definitely get shortlisted.
Okay, sir. All right. Sir, I have heard many times from my seniors that the memories we built in college remains with us throughout our life. But unfortunately, we haven't get the chance to meet each other since because of COVID pandemic, the classes are going online. But it's okay. We also are making some memories. I would like to ask you that what is your best memory in UEC? And at the same time, I would also like to point out the most bitter memory. I would like to know that.
So start with the best memory. So my best memory is the Mood Indigo, the cultural fest of IIT Bombay. So which is one of my best memory in my entire college life. And the worst memory, if you talk about my worst memory, so at in my fourth semester or fifth semester, I didn't remember. One of my professor called me that you Aditi, you just have to meet in my cabin, and we have to talk about some academics related things. So I went there, and one professor directly told me, Aditya, तुम्हारी अटेंडेंस इतनी कम है कि मैं बता भी नहीं सकता कि तुम्हें सेशनल मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे. And after that, that particular faculty called my parents that your child is not attending the class and all. And I was like, what is going on? It's college. It's not my school. What is this? This is the worst. I talked to my father and he was like, क्या करता है तू दिन भर कॉलेज में, फोन आ रहे तेरे फैकल्टी के, पढ़ता ही नहीं है बिल्कुल. बोला पापा, not like that. I'm studying at my own. And this is my worst memory I ever encountered in my college.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are your struggles for reaching this position?
Struggle is one of the one of the biggest struggle is to fight with yourself, because my full mindset is like I always want to go in a core company, work in electrical domain, and change the whole mindset to an IT industry. It's like what I'm doing. I'm not like that. How can I do this? This is not my aim. These are the things which I always have to uh, roaming around in my head. What are you doing, Aditya? This is not you. But at the end, you have to accept the reality that getting job in electrical, it's not that much easy that you just go and put your resume on the desk and like just I wanna be an electrical engineer. It's not like that. They didn't even consider you. And if you try to get an off campus in electrical, that's also really hard. Your pay scale maybe 10K, 8K a month. this is what you get as an electrical engineer, as a fresher electrical engineer in industry. So at the end, I asked myself what I actually want from this engineering. So what I want is a decent position, a decent salary. What else? That these things I can get in IT industry. I just make my mind, start practicing coding, start practicing aptitude reasoning, diagrammatic reasoning, and I definitely get this offer from Accenture.
Okay, sir. I agree that each one of us fear from changes, and but yes, you did a great job to accept the changes and fighting with yourself. And of course, you have won the fight.
Not yet fight is just begun in IT industry. I just
That's
changed my battlefield.
that's a great attitude.
So anything you wanna ask, Tushar?
Sir, any advice which you would like to give to students so that it may help them, especially for the core branches?
So I have many things in my mind to tell my juniors that do that, do that, do not do that. But I restrict myself to the important ones. So people are thinking that you have to go in IT industry, so you should be perfect in coding. That's not the point. You don't have to be perfect in coding. You just have the basic understanding, basic syntax, basic flow. What is the flow of the program? You should understand these things. You definitely get land into a good company. And some people think like, यार resume इतना अच्छा नहीं है, स्किल्स नहीं है मेरे पास इतनी, मैं कैसे फाइट करूंगा और लोगों से. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अब जितने भी इंटरव्यू होते हैं, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं यार ये इंटरव्यूअर अपने को कहीं फंसा सकता है, तो एटीट्यूड ऐसा रखो कि वो इंटरव्यू ना चला, आप इंटरव्यू चलाओ. जब आप पहली लाइन आएगी टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ, उसमें आप जो जो पॉइंट्स बोलोगे वही पॉइंट से इंटरव्यू आगे जाएगा. आपने बताया कि सर मैंने गेट निकाल रखी, तो उनका पहला ही क्वेश्चन होता है कि व्हाई गेट, व्हाट्स योर प्लान, व्हाट डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट. और कुछ और आप मेंशन करते हो, कुछ फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन करते हो या कोई पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन करते हो, तो इंटरव्यू उस डायरेक्शन में चला जाता है. तो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू maintain the flow of interview in your hand. Just mention those things about which you are totally aware. Don't try to make fool. Don't try to be over smart. In my case, I want to share my experience in TCS. They asked me about the coding skills. That Aditya, do you have any knowledge about C, C++? So I was like, no, sir, I don't have that much knowledge about C, C++. And तो बोले what okay Aditya, then tell me what's your favorite subject in electrical. So then at that point interview is in my hand, because I know electrical, it's my strong point. So I start telling that my favorite subject are power electronics, control, machine, network, signal system. So they start asking question from that subject. They are just checking your attitude, your knowledge and learning skills. From as we are from core branches, they are not expecting that much coding from us. What they are expecting, it's your attitude, your confidence, and your knowledge about your subject. If you don't have any idea about coding, that you must be fluent in your branch. That is what you are up to. And another thing, don't try to make silly mistakes in HR question. There are some HR questions like do you have any other offer letter? So don't try to mention that I am already placed. Don't try to do things like that. And they'll ask you about your shifts. Are you comfortable with your shift? Are you comfortable with relocation? These questions, don't try to be over smart that I don't do that, I don't do that. Don't don't ever mention this type of thing. Always like, okay, sir, I'm okay with relocation, I'm okay with shifts. Just show your attitude that you wanna join company. You have that attitude. You have that willpower to join the company. And also some different questions, HR questions like uh, in which you ask about project. They will ask you in my Accenture interview. They asked me, Aditya, do you work with a team? So I mentioned that sir, I done my final year project with my 3 other batchmates. And after that, their next question is like, Aditya, have you ever encountered conflict in your group? How how would you handle the conflict? If conflicts happen in your group or anything going not in the track, what would you do? If you are the leader of the group, what's your action? So these types of question, always be ready for that. If you are going for interview for a company like TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, just Google about them, not the company name, the CEO. What are the question asked in this? Sometimes you are lucky enough to get the repeated question. So be prepared with that and always try to be honest with your technical skill. Don't try to oversmart in a coding skills because they are more intellectual than you in coding. What things they are not known to is electrical engineering. So you can turn your interview in electrical engineering and you will be like, yes, sir, I know everything. I can do that. I can do that. But if you try to trick them in IT questions, that definitely like you are definitely tricked by interviewer. So don't do that and always be confident. Don't think about that. I don't have that much communication. Don't think like that. Just go with the flow. They'll ask you the question. You have to answer the question whether you know about that technicality or not. If you know, then show the level that I know up to this extent. That's all. You'll definitely get a job. Definitely.
Sir, it was my pleasure that I take your interview. Thanks for the time you give to us. Thanks for your advices. Thanks for sharing your experiences with us. I'm sure that our viewers will surely get benefit from your interview. Thanks a lot, sir.
Kushagra, I also wish a better future for you, or you definitely get land into more package than me. You definitely get a package like 10 LPA or 11 LPA.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. That's so sweet of you.